Bro, that isn't real. That was all done by AI. Especially this video of bunnies jumping on a trampoline has been going mega viral. And also this one with the bear jumping on a trampoline. And the majority of people think it is real, it looks cool and gets thousands to millions of views. So let's get started ourselves and create something like that too. Look, here is the original video. Let's take a screenshot and then we go to Google's AI Studio in order to access the latest version of Gemini. No, we add the screenshot and ask something like, "Yo, please give me an image prompt to create this image, but instead of the bunnies, I want it with one horse." Perfect. Now we only need to generate the image prompts with an AI image generator. I will use Midjourney. I will set the aspect ratio to square, 1:1. Now let's generate it. Okay, this is not quite what we're looking for. So let's head back to Gemini and ask for some improvements. I will tell him that it should look more like security camera footage. Okay, now we generate it again. Wow, that looks just amazing. Now we will pick, for example, this image and then generate a video out of it here in Midjourney. Here on the right it says Animate Image. We can choose the auto low and high motion and the loop low and high motion. I will generate all four options so you can see with your own eyes the differences. Low motion means less movement and less happening in the video, and high motion means the opposite. This will take a few minutes. Here it is. Let's take a long look. Looks amazing. I will also generate some video with the white horse. Now I will also generate the same kind of video, but this time with a crocodile. So, I will ask Gemini again, and no worries, I will put the successful image prompts in the video description so you can use them too. Okay, Where is the trampoline? We need to ask Gemini again. Okay, not bad. Now I will try it with a Lamborghini. After that, we will do the sound design for the White Horse trampoline video. Okay, nice. Now, I actually like this video the most. So let's take this image and put it in a video editing software like CapCut. Now we will go to YouTube to download some fitting sound effects. I will download this trampoline sound effect with any YouTube MP3 downloader website out there. You know, the one with a lot of ads and pop-ups, LOL. Okay, now add it to CapCut and be sure that it matches the movement of the horse. Now next we will be on the hunt for some horse sound effects. Since it is night there, we will also add some night sound effect. You know those cricket sounds. Now here comes the trick. We will select all the audio and create a compound clip. Now go to the voice changer and choose out of signal effect. I really like this effect and adds to the realism of the security camera footage. If you want to change something in your audio, simply undo the compound clip and change things, and then later create the compound clip and add the same voice changer effect to it. And if you do not have this specific effect, then you can also experiment with using different effects. Simply make it sound bad quality, grainy with a lot of texture, if you know what I mean. And guys, if you do not have Midjourney, then I would advise you to find an alternative AI image generator like Leonardo AI. And then you need to bring the image to life with another free-to-use AI video generator like Hailu AI. But stay tuned, because I will be working on some new videos with the best free-to-use AI generators in videos, images, and more. Hope you yourself can now create these kinds of videos. Have a lot of fun. See you in the next video. Bye.